let me tell you everything you need to know about this guitar strap right here that was sent for my review. I'm usually not a huge fan of straps because either I think they don't look great, but especially most of them don't feel right on your body. Either they're too thin or too plasticky. It just don't feel comfortable, right? This one here is absolutely incredible because a really nice threaded nylon on this side, a really nice design actually, and speaking of design, there's so many you can choose from, which is great. But what I love the most is how it actually connects and locks into the nut. And if you don't have an extra nut on the body itself, it does come, and let me just put this to the side so I can actually show you. It does come with an attachment for the headstock, so you can actually attach this around the headstock, and you will be able to attach your strap with it, which is great. And they also include, let me see how many. I have one right now 4. I've been using them, so they actually include some picks, some really nice picks. They are 0.6 millimeters. I think all of them are 0.6. Yeah, 0.6 millimeter. Great for acoustic guitar. Great for, strumming around the electric as well. They do offer you this as well. Some people like to attach this, their strap with this, but I love the fact that you actually get a proper cowhide type of leather attachment for the strap. But I mean, we're here to talk, of course, about this one in particular. Super, super strong. Love the fact that it is adjustable on the back as well. It is extremely comfortable to either wear while you're sitting, because sometimes you need a strap while sitting, of course, but super comfortable standing up, as you can see in the B-roll. Standing with this guitar makes the weight kind of like balanced, feels very, very natural. I love how soft it is as well. And yeah, for me, the fact that once you put it on to the nuts, it actually stays there. It's not going to slip out, which I love. They're not too loose. But yeah, a great strap with a bunch of different designs if you're into that. So really cool. A winner.